Turning on professional mode on a brand new Facebook account is super simple. I will walk you through it step by step. First, open your Facebook app and hit over to your profile by tapping your profile picture. Before enabling professional mode, make sure your profile information is updated. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Profile Settings. Here you will see the option to turn on professional mode. Tap on it. Next, just follow the prompts by clicking Turn On. Then hit Next a couple of times. When you reach the default audience page, make sure it's set to Public if you want to grow your profile and reach more people. Once done, tap Next. On the review page, check if everything looks good, then press Confirm. After that, you will see the profile frame option. If you want to add a frame, you can select it here. If not, simply uncheck the box and tap Skip. Finally, tap Go to Professional Dashboard. And that's it. You have successfully turned on professional mode on your Facebook account.